What's up, guys? Today in John's pressure washer, we're going to be cleaning this strip of concrete right here all the way to about right there. I did that before I finished it, so we're going to do that. Probably going to hit it with a turbo nozzle. You know, I know y'all like that, so here we go. Alright guys, so real quick, the house that I'm pressure washing is one of my landlord's rental properties. And as you can see, I'm using the turbo nozzle with a DeWalt wand and a DeWalt pressure washer, 4.0 gallons per minute, 4400 psi. And I really like this one. It's my first gas pressure washer, so far I've been practicing. Really love the turbo nozzle. If you're watching this as a beginner, I recommend getting one. And yeah, this whole concrete I've been trying to perfect and do good. My surface cleaner, I do some tiger striping, and you're gonna see that here in a second. Right here in this piece, getting this big piece of concrete, I think I have to turn up the pressure on the surface, on the pressure washer, to make up for the surface cleaner. But yeah, anyways guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, thanks for sticking through the video. As you can see right here, here's that tiger striping from the surface cleaner. If you have any tips on how to fix that, let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day. John's pressure washing out.